Yes! Woohoo! Hey folks, Ola here, coming at you from deep in the Everglades. I'm down here for a 4 or 5 day camping trip. It is the first trip in our new RV, so we wanted to do a shakedown, so I figured, hey, let's just do it in the Everglades. Give me an opportunity to fish too. So here we are. And here I am. So it is 1:20 and I've been out here, I guess about 7 hours right now, but I've been out of the water for an hour just chit-chatting. So 6 hours on the water, I caught a dozen fish. Not my best day down here. Probably my worst, actually. And although it wasn't a great day of catching, it was just enough for me to cross a huge milestone. You probably know that milestone I'm talking about. So yes, I made it. Today I caught my 1,000th bass of the year. So yeah, I'm happy. Goal accomplished. So I didn't catch anything of size. Maybe a 2.5, 3 pound was the best. And I'll be back out here tomorrow though. So let's just roll today's 1K milestone fishing footage. Good morning, folks. It is 6:32 Friday morning. Happy Friday to the working force. I'm doing my thing this morning. Trying to get on some fish down in the Everglades. Look how pretty. It's a beautiful morning. Kind of looks like rain though. Got some wind too. So let's see if we can get on some fish right here at this early morning sunrise topwater bite. Kate, this is the reel you need. This one that sings when you cast. Smooth, casts a mile, easy to learn on. Fish. There's one. That's a good fish. Yes. Wow. Look at the size of that. All right, pal. Wow. I need my gloves. Because remember, oh my God, stop wiggling. Remember how sharp the teeth are down here. First fish of the day. Wow, what a feisty beast. Get those gloves. That's number one. Second. All right, fish. This little guy, he's been caught before on a fluke. All right, we're gonna make the move to another location. Obviously not far away, but just different than where I'm at right now. I'm not getting any hits on anything, so it's time to make a little move. So stay tuned, folks. There's a huge rock pile running this way. I mean, there's big rocks, boulders. I'm gonna try to throw this wacky rig right along it. Maybe there's some fish around it. Boy, the fishing's tough today, guys. Just trying to find them. There's one. Man, you hear him just take that? Good fish. Look at this thing fight. Number 3. Look at that. Rowdy on the wacky rig. God, they sure feel so much bigger. I know I say that every time I catch a fish, but it's pretty insane how strong these guys are. Right in the roof of the mouth. Pretty. Number 3. Let's let him go. See if we can get another. We need 6 more. Get that like a freight train. Maybe with the sun coming out, warming up a bit, it'll make them start feeding. It'll fire them up. It's here. We're off the rock pile now, onto some grass. There's one. Dang. Guys, he didn't even hit it. Alright, they're coming on. This is number 4. Oh, look at the fight on this guy. That's a good fish. Come here. Wow, that's a really good healthy fish. Best fish of the day so far. Oh, nice fish. As I'm eating here, having a snack. Yeah, that's a beauty. That's 3 pounds. Oh my goodness. A really lovely bass. See what I'm talking about here? Oh, I just doused my camera with the net. Boy, this little hook does a number. That's a beauty. Quite a lovely bass. Maybe not 3 pounds because it's kind of skinny. 2.5. You're 2.5. Huge, huge bed. Check this out. I don't know that it's a bass bed or, you know, what it is, but check this out. This is a little guy. Smallest one of the day. Number 6. All right, you gotta hold still. Just a little guy. 6. That's a bite. Oh, yeah, he's still on. It's a good fish. Oh, so pretty. Number 7 for the day. Right in the side of the cheek. Number 7, folks. Boy, he's cold. And he's been caught before. I'd imagine we're going to see a lot that have been caught before. 2 fish away. Number 8. This is it, guys. Next one is the big one. Stop spinning. Number 8. Whoa, he's got a bloody tail. Somebody skinned him there. Probably a gator. All right, next one is the magic fish. There's a fish. Yes, it's a little one. No, it's nice. That's a nice fish. That's a respectable number 1,000. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woohoo! Yes, folks, yes. Yes! Wow, look at the gut this guy just ate. Oh, the hook falls out. Woohoo! 1,000. Wipe the water off. Woohoo! That's it. Look how healthy too. Look at the gut on him. Awesome, awesome, dude. Welcome aboard. Changed it up to a little bit fatter worm and got a fatter fish. Yes! Yes, yes. Yes. Oh, that's a nice fish. Number 10 for the day. Another beauty in here. Better quality in here today than anywhere else. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Hang on, right in the nose. Look at that beauty. Let's get a release on him. Number 10 for the day. Okay, gang, listen to this wind. I am calling it. It's 12:25. I'll work my way back to the ramp, load up, and come back tomorrow.